Well, good morning. Well, it's still morning. It's about 11:45 up here. I own a business, so I'm up here cleaning up today. And you can see what I'm cleaning on. Made this made this one the other day when we were doing our videos. Hey, I appreciate you guys um, going on our YouTube channel and subscribing. We're getting close. Hopefully, we'll get there. If not, then wasn't meant to be. Oop, I kind of got off a little bit while I was looking at it. But I'm kind of cleaning up. Got lots of glass chopped up. Y'all watched Channel 3 today. I should have a little spot on there at 4, 5, and 6. I did talk to a reporter yesterday. We talked about what I'm doing right now. I have projects set up to ship. So, man, if you need something to do at home, I've got things for you to do. I appreciate your time. You know where we're at. Call me.